All right, here she is. This is a 2018 Hurricane Fun Deck. Fun Deck 236 wet bar. So this is just under 24 feet. It's a 12-seater. Nice shade with the bimini top there. You'll see this, I'm gonna do a full spin around so you can get an idea, all the seating. So it gives you an idea of all the seating. A couple of cool features I'm gonna point out. We'll go back this way. So up here, this is a really nice feature. So this is our anchor locker, which is really nice. You'll see the anchors there. It makes it easy to get in and out. You don't have to go over the seat. It's right there at the bow at the swim platform. Get in and out, and it just makes it that much more user-friendly. And then under deck storage locker there is always great to have for extra storage. And then another cool feature, you'll see the dual Helm chairs there. These are really cool, not only for cruising and being able to sit next to your captain and hang out and whatnot, but they spin all the way around. So all four chairs can actually be around the wet bar, socializing there. You're hanging out at the island and just taking in the sights and just being outside and on the water. Just a really cool feature. And then you have this whole wet bar here, working sink, all these cup holders, and just a cool bar area to hang out on. These bar chairs here, great for entertaining and socializing, like I said. Those also, it's cool, they would spin all the way around, so if you want to sit and watch all the kids playing in the water, and even maybe water sports, you want to watch the skiers and whatnot. And then the 200 horsepower Yamaha motor I was telling you about, fully equipped for towing tube and skis. But that's just a really cool, unique floor plan that I hope you guys will enjoy and be excited about the opportunity to try something new and different. But you guys know where to find me and know how to get a hold of me. So if you guys want to get oriented and try this bad boy out, I can't wait to see you guys down. And don't let the cold weather scare you. It's still plenty of good boating days ahead, and I'll see you guys soon. Look forward to it. Bye, members.